Fáilte go dtí the Connacht Hotel Galliv. The Connacht Hotel is the largest hotel in the west of Ireland. We have 358 bedrooms, so we're a huge employer in the region, but we're also very proud that Galway has recently been awarded the bilingual status, and we felt it would be a good fit to partner with Galliv Gaeilge and bring in the Irish language into the Connacht Hotel to promote it to the people that are staying in Galway and visiting the hotel. Everyone likes an Irish welcome, even if you are from Ireland, and we're really proud that we welcome so many people to Galway. We could have over 900 people staying in the hotel on any one night, and the Irish people and people travelling from abroad love the fáilte when they walk through your door.
Dorgwil Gaeltacht Imnaile Tamas ag forwarding Aaron Gaelge, ar sin Captain Garshan Tavach Zaiwa Hochu Cordis Veganos and Leshan Gaelge. Frishin tá irtis de a gaile filar bheit mar príchar cultúr na Europa agus ein cúna tums an tuairt lei sin gomór mar forbes an Gaeilge sinintach.
At the Connacht Hotel, our future plans are to continue the work that we have done so far to promote the Irish language within our business. We'd like to increase the visibility to make guests and visitors to the hotel more aware that we encourage a bilingual workplace. We have a lot of European staff, Eastern European staff that come from all over the world, and they're embracing the cúpla focail. So we hope that we can continue that, encourage staff to use the language as much as possible.
An rud is tábhachtí féidir din na Gaeilge leabhart a chéile, go mór mar daoine tá Gaeilge acu a leabhart a daoine nach bhfuil. Tuair sé sin mission hob sin, is leabhart sin na customary is tuair na customary cúpla focail bhil.